Okay, well, everybody is in this one. Got a tornado watch. Here we go. Oh boy.
The heat index was 86. The wind was east at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.06 inches and steady.
Got a brand new tornado watch, number 136.
82 at Lansing Airport, 90 at Kansas City Airport, 89 at Benton Harbor, Michigan.
Monday, June 26th, partly cloudy and becoming mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers this morning, then a thunderstorm this afternoon. Most storms may be severe or tornado possible. Highs in the lower 60s.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch number 136, effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, LaSalle, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, LaPorte, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
Okay, so I'm just moving this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I just moved the 6 weather radios, so I just moved the 6 weather radios of them. So that's just what I keep for temporarily once again. But yeah, tornado watch 136. 9. Oh jeez.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana until 5:14 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Valparaiso, moving northeast at 56 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Valparaiso, Indiana Shores, Porter, Burns Harbor, Beverly Shores, Town of Pines, Chesterton, and Hebron. Including the following interstate: Indiana I-65 between mile markers 235 and 256. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast.
Okay, 2 relays. Chicago, Hebron. Oh my god, they can't stop it! Tornado?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for eastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana,
Oh shoot!
Fort County in northwestern Indiana until 7 p.m.
It's a tornado.
At 6:45 p.m.
Well, it's a tornado.
A storm capable of producing a tornado was located near Union Mills, or Valparaiso to Chicago Heights, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Union Mills around 6:20 p.m.
Let's look at our location then.
Valparaiso around 6:25 p.m.
Yep.
Chicago Heights.
Everyone's going off. Everyone's going on today for channel 1, 2, and 3.
Thunderstorm include Valparaiso University.
Yep.
This includes Union Mills,
Yep.
including the following interstates: Indiana I-65 between mile markers 125 and 256. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the
Oh my god, you gotta be.
and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Hang on. Hang on. Ugh. Ugh. Tornado siren and beyond. Here we go. Here we go. Alright guys, come on. Yep. We got a new tornado warning again. That's just SVR.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana until 5:14 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Valparaiso, moving northeast at 56 miles per hour.
But the siren, I can't turn the volume down.
Miles per hour with gusts at any sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect light damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
I could turn it down, the broadcast.
Indiana Shores, Porter, Pearl Harbor, Beverly Shores, Gallup Pines, Chester, and Hebron, including the following interstate: Indiana I-65 between mile markers 235 and 256. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
were just terrible towns.
WNT689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring with forecast to occur in our listening area.
Okay, once again, I'm in the bathroom for the tornado shelter area. So, just in case it gets the power out, if it gets hit by the tornado storm or silence as well, it can just a power out for image like this. Yep, see, it's just like this. Yep, just like this one. Yep, just a blackout. Okay, so being told IWX to C for Pulaski. Uh-oh, great. There's gonna be another tornado warning. And it's for Pulaski. For a tornado observed. Uh-oh. Oh god, not again.
Severe thunderstorm was located over Winnipeg, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts.
Oh, you know what? Let's go back to this one. And that.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That'll take forever.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fulton County in north central Indiana, eastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, northern Cass County in north central Indiana, northwestern Miami County in north central Indiana until 10:35 p.m. At 9:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Winnipeg, moving southeast at 76 miles per hour.
Wow, that's fast.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Winnipeg around 9:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Royal Center. This includes Mill Creek Gardens.
Mill Creek Gardens.
Take cover now.
Oh no.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Nah, Mill Creek Gardens.
Avoid windows.
For the hotels, like, oh no.
If you're in a mobile home, in outdoors, or in a vehicle,
Never heard that one in.
substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I can hear your hallway.
To report severe weather, contact the nearest law enforcement agency. They will send the report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take
Oh god.
This is More Weather Radio, WXJ57SL10. Visit our website, see through on weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 9:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Okay, so that's that. And by the way, guess what? Before I mention that for this and that's that, hey, guess what? Something at the mention from this to when I filmed the tornado warning, which is already did from the filming on record on the tornado warning. And guess what? It cut me off on the tornado warning. So I don't know what's gonna happen to someone just cut me off. What an idiot. What a such an idiot for to cut me off for the tornado warning for it cut me off as well. Okay, so that's it.